ChatGPT has long been recognized as one of the most advanced chatbots, thanks to its powerful GPT models. However, when it came to image generation, its earlier model, DALL-E, was good, but not quite at the same level as other leading models like Midjourney. In my opinion, those models delivered more consistent and visually impressive results. But that may be about to change. OpenAI's latest update is a significant leap forward. ChatGPT now includes a major upgrade to its image generation capabilities, and it could position it as a serious competitor in the space. If you are using a free ChatGPT account, your access to the GPT-4o model is limited. However, with a ChatGPT Plus subscription, you can send up to 80 messages every 3 hours. Let's dive in and take a closer look. We'll start with something simple, using a reference image and changing its style. For this example, we'll transform it into a Japanese anime style. As you can see, the final result is nearly flawless. I used the exact same reference image and prompt in Midjourney. The first issue I encountered was that the reference image was larger than 10 megabytes, which caused an error in Midjourney because it doesn't support files over 10 megabytes. In contrast, ChatGPT handled the image without needing to resize it. The second issue was that the final images generated by Midjourney were quite different from the reference image. Let's switch things up and design a homepage for a website. The result speaks for itself: clean colors, crisp typography, and realistic elements. Simply perfect. And here's the result in Midjourney. Although the prompt is the same, the outcome falls short: blurry elements and unreadable text. Let's see if we can change the aspect ratio. I'm using the same parameter as in Midjourney. I want to change to 16:9. Also, no problem. Perfect. Let's try to recreate the random image from Midjourney. Just copy the exact same prompt and paste it to ChatGPT. Both images deliver a similar result. The concept is spot on, but the faces lack perfection. I think both deserve a point here. This next test is one of my favorites. The result was truly surprising. We'll also use a reference image, cut out the character, and reposition them in a new scene. It's not just the face. Even the clothing is an exact match. Flawless. Achieving this level of accuracy in Midjourney would be much more challenging. We could run endless tests, but these few images already speak volumes. The ChatGPT image generator is highly effective, accurate, and incredibly user-friendly. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content like this, and hit the bell so you never miss an update. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.